Hi, I'm Kelvin Genn. I'm the Director of Disruption at Art of Work, and I'm really looking forward to hosting the next masterclass on Stop Investigating and Start Learning. And we hope you'll come and join us with a group of other really interesting people that are sharing ideas and experiences and creating a new way to look at how work is done. Well, this is firstly a shift in perspective. What we hope people will get out of this masterclass is looking at the way they think about how people work differently, and when things go wrong, coming at it from a different perspective. So we're traditionally, in our approach to safety and to investigation, had the perspective that we need to find what people have done wrong. In this masterclass, we're going to challenge those concepts of thinking that it's the person that has done something wrong and shift it to what has the system created that led the person to make an error of one form or another. So very much in this masterclass, we're going to challenge the current paradigm and replace it with a new paradigm, and that paradigm is based in the principles of learning as opposed to the principles of justice and judgment. So I would really encourage people that work in designing work and how it is done, those that manage people in the human resources type functions, people in the quality areas that want to understand and improve the quality processes within their business, within the engineering functions within their business that want to bring new tools to understanding the way that they design and create systems and processes. Anyone who's worked in an investigation type function, past or in the present, is thinking that they will go into work in an investigation type role. It's a really good way to bring your perspective and learn something new in that space and see how this process can be done differently. But it's certainly not aimed at investigators. We really think this is best aligned with the naive inquirer, the person who is not experienced as an investigator, doesn't have deep knowledge of the subject that is at hand, but is very curious to understand how work is done, what helps or hinders people in the way that work is done, and how do we set people up for success. Well, the skills, firstly, based in this concept of curiosity and also appreciative investigation or appreciative inquiry. It's termed in both ways. So what you will come away with is skills that really focus on looking at a problem in the context of the person that is doing the work and how they see the environment around them and the interactions around them. And you are equipped with the tools and the techniques to get new information from them that would not naturally derive from a traditional investigation process. If you're not sure about this masterclass and you've been frustrated in what happens in your organisation with what happens when an unwanted event occurs, the investigation that occurs around those processes and the actions that are taken upon people and upon the system that build more bureaucracy, diminish communication and engagement, this is a really good masterclass to come and understand there's a much better way to engage people, learn from people, and truly accept that error is a natural part of everyday work, and error should be embraced rather than castigated.